Maya po oras kabalen. Kayan tabi mabilog ang pwersa ng GNN TV 44, pagyela rin makapanahon at lokal istoryang dapat yung abalo, kapamilatan ng garantisado, kompleto ang pambalansing informasyon. Ore ni po rin balitang may kalap nganing Biyernes, November 28, 2025. Yako po Iben Ginto at iti ing News Force, Pampanga. Kaya katanay mga silipan rin pilang kaganapan king State of the Children's Address king Ciudad Angeles, king report ni.
Pesinayanen ng City Government ng Ciudad Angeles king pamanimunan ng Mayor John Lazatin ing State of the Children's Address bilang parti ng National Children's Month inyang November 27 king Angeles City Library. Tegunan deiti din na Vice Mayor Amos Rivera, reng konsihalis, reng city officials, mestra, pengari at reng kayanakang Angelenyo. Binida ng Mayor Lazatin ing pangakilala ng Angeles City bilang national finalist king Highly Urbanized Cities category para king Presidential Award for Child-Friendly Municipalities and Cities. Agpangkaya patunay ay tiking pang magsumikap ning syudad at paganaka bang lakwas pang pasiknangan rin programa para kareng kayanakan.
Sana yung alaalang mabibigay natin sa kabataan, mabibit nila hanggang sa kanilang pagtanda para mapagpatuloy nila ang magandang serbisyo at mahalin nila ang sambayanan at ang syudad ng Angeles. Again, let's raise a child. We need the whole community to raise a child.
Pepasyag na lang ng alkalde rin agawa at planong proyekto para king kapakanan dareng anak, kabilang na ipamagpalawak king serbisyong pangkabulasan o healthcare, mas matibeng child protection systems, mas malawak ka access king early childhood education at rin programang pangkabiyayan para kareng pamilya. Pepasalamat kay Mayor Lazatin, kareng mestra, daycare workers, CSWDO, social workers, barangay officials at partners na kaya duwangan ning syudad king pamanyulong ning metong aligtas at mapaglinga pa komunidad para kareng kayanakan. Tinukya niya itining pledge of commitment a pinirma ning alkalde, BC Alkalde, ren konsehal at local council for the protection of children bilang pamagpasikan king pamakisan metong para king panyulong ning karapatan at kapakanan dareng anak. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga, balitang tutu, king Balen, susuyo.
Mas masanting ang serbisyo para kareng taxpayers. Yan ang panalakaran na rin opisyal ng BIR ketike katamo. Kaya katam pakiramdaman ng amanura, king report ni.
Last October, nag-viral ang video ng isang netizen na napaiyak sa loob ng isang tanggapan ng Bureau of Internal Revenue o BIR matapos umanong makatanggap ng hindi magandang pagtrato mula sa isang empleyado. Dahil dito, nabuksan ang usapin ng kalidad ng serbisyo at tamang pakikitungo sa mga taxpayers. Dito sa BIR Region 4A na sumasaklaw sa Pampanga, pinalalakas ang mga programa para sa mas maganda at professional na serbisyo ng kanilang frontline personnel. Ayon kay Assistant Regional Director Deo Gracias Villar Jr., regular ang kanilang Frontliners Forum na nagsisilbing training at refresher session para sa mga empleyadong direktang nakikipag-ugnayan sa publiko.
Meron kami tinatawag na Frontliners Forum. Dito namin tinitress out lahat ng mga issues and concerns pertaining sa pagbibigay namin ng frontline service. Dito namin tinitake up yung mga best services from other offices para i-adapt din ng other offices at paano sila i-train na humarap sa mga taxpayers natin. Regular po yan, yung Frontliners Forum.
Layunin ng forum na patatagin ang customer service skills, tamang approach sa taxpayers at pagtiyak na maayos, magalang at mabilis ang transaksyon sa tanggapan ng BIR. Dagdag pa ni Villar, patuloy ang kanilang internal assessments at capability building efforts upang maiwasan ang mga insidente ng hindi kanais-nais na pagtrato at mapanatili ang tiwala ng publiko sa kanilang serbisyo. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga, balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.
Aba, kaya yung Giant Lantern Festival ng San Fernando, King 100 Commemorative Coin Series ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Inanunsyo ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP na kabilang yung Giant Lantern Festival ng siyudad ng San Fernando kareng 12 manimunang kapiestan king bansa a ibida king bayong 100 peso Philippine Festivals Commemorative Coin Series ay present king Malacanang. Magpalwaling BSPing Silver Commemorative Coins balang bulan, manibat January 26, ating limitadong produksyon na 3,000 na piraso balang disenyo. Bistamat ating niyang legal tender value ing 100 pesos, ipisaliyay balang barya king 5,000 pesos, uli na ning precious metal content at limitadong minting. Kaya berin king serye ing Sinulog Festival ning Cebu City, Tan Okni Ilocano Festival king Ilocos Norte, Kaamulan Festival ning Bukidnon, Mariones Festival ning Marinduque, Pahiyas Festival ning Lokban, Pintados Kasadyaan Festival ning Tacloban City. At yula naman keti reng niyayaliwang festival king palibot ning Pilipinas. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balita ang tutuking balen. Susunod.
Atin pa mga paling balita, king pamagbalik ng News Force Pampanga.
Babiya ko po yung Maya pa oras keng GNN TV 44 Pampanga, king karelang kadwang pulot adwang anibersaryo. Ing GNN TV 44 o ing dating Infomax Channel 8, amibayit keti king siyudad San Fernando inyang 2003, ing menimuna at ang gangeni, manatili king pamamaya makabaldugan at maulagang balita para karing kapangpangan gamit ing amanong siswan. Magsilbiya pong tete ing istasyon ban ipayabot karing kabalen ding maulagang impormasyon at dapat tamong abalo king patas at balansing paralan. Ing GNN TV 44 Pampanga, magsilbiyang kayadwangan ng City Government of San Fernando ban ipabalo at idake laring programa at proyektong gagawan tamo ban lakwas lang dakal ding makinabang at midinan kebaluan karing kakatamong susulong king siyudad. Pasibayo, happy 22nd anniversary GNN TV 44 Pampanga. Isunduyo sa inustong pamagbalita para karing Fernandino, para karing Kapampangan. Luwid ya ing istasyon para karing Kapampangan. Luwid ya ing GNN TV 44 Pampanga. Luwid ya in Ciudad San Fernando.
Deni pa rin balitang dapat tamong tutukan. Pas maragula opisina king Mega World Capital Town, ing asahan ni Buklat ning metong nga BPO company ay ni report.
Remote Employee o RE, one of the fastest growing BPO companies founded by Kapampangan for Kapampangans, announced its upcoming expansion at Mega World Capital Town during its year-end party held on November 28 at Hilton Park. The highlight of the celebration was the reveal of RE's larger office space at Capital Town in San Fernando, set to open this December. The new facility will allow the company to accommodate more clients and support its growing operations.
Oh, okay. So we have a lot of new things that happened this entire year. Obviously, the biggest one is our expansion into Capital Town. And, aside from that, there are, I would say, seeds that we're planting at the moment that we are really looking forward to seeing grow as the new year approaches. And, I can't really talk too much about it. I don't want to, spoil the surprise or anything like that, but it would bring more opportunities to, I would say, to the people that need it the most. So we're providing more opportunities for those guys. And, it's part of our mission to provide opportunities for the Filipino people. And, we're staying true to that mission. So just stay tuned next year for the unveiling of this new product that we have.
RE CEO Rafi Galang also discussed the continued development of the RE Academy, the company's learning and training arm designed to upskill employees and prepare them for career advancement.
One of our biggest partners is actually the local academy in the city of San Fernando. As you know, Mayor Vilma is always pushing for easier access to education and trying to lower down the unemployment rate. And I guess just a clue, we are in the same boat. Our product will aim to address those issues that are currently, present in the city of San Fernando. So we will be providing more opportunities and more, education, in the next couple of years.
Galang shared that RE's workforce has now reached around 400 employees, and with ongoing recruitment, it expected to grow to nearly 500 before the year ends. They emphasized that the company's success is rooted in its people-first approach, prioritizing work-life balance and employee well-being.
Yeah, well, the work-life balance is super important. One, for the company, our clients that we service, and the employees that work for us. When they're happy at work, they work harder, they work better, they enjoy working for us. So, we want to do as much as we can for the worker. So, our clients get a better result as well. And we've seen that, our clients have seen that, better retention rates. The staff is really good. All of the clients that have come and visited our offices so far have really loved it. They've loved the culture, the experience, all the people that work for us. It's just been really awesome.
The event gathered RE leaders, employees, and partners to celebrate the company's milestones and anticipate an even stronger year ahead.
Guys, whoever wants to join our growing company, I invite you guys to come and apply. We're always doing recruitment drives, so I hope to see you guys there. But if you guys can't make it, we are available online on Facebook, Instagram, and our website, www.remoteemployee.ph. So yeah, just go to our website and then apply, or just chat us on Facebook and we'll be happy to help you.
This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.
Kaya katamong pakibaluan ng bili ng panahon king lalawigan, kilog ng 24 oras. May kalwal ning babante na bagyong Verbena, king Philippine Area of Responsibility ang magdalang si kanayangin a 110 hanggang 135 kilometers per hour. Ikichiti, king dayong 240 kilometers northeast of Pagasa Island at papunta naman king direksyon na west-northwestward. Samantala, king Luzon, paulin ng northeast monsoon at easterlies, makaranas pa mo rin malulam at biglang may ng pamanuran, lalo na bandang eastern part ng Luzon. King Visayas at Mindanao, alang na anumang weather disturbance, niya naman mapali at malisangan na panahon, ingaranasan. Dapat ating posibilidad, ang makaranas lamo rin localized thunderstorms, karas ninggat panapon at bing. Kabalen, maging partika kay pamagbalita kay News Force Pampanga na numang kaganapan, isyo reklamo king kay lugal, malyari mong ikwento isumbong kapamilatan na rin numerong mayakit king kay screen. Malyari mo namang mag-post king kaming Facebook account. Ela mawala ding dekorasyon na anghel ng Pasko bilang pamagkilala king Barangula Papildareti bilang talapamalita king pangapanganak ng Jesus at tagapagligtas. Abe, maganti tamo anghel at pamalita tana na 27 days damo bayo datang Pasko. Panalakaraning News and Public Affairs Team ng GNN TV44, gadinan kayong mata sa kalidad ng lokal na pamagbalita bilang panatang serbisyo kanin sablang Kapampangan. I'll nyo lang yan yung Biyernes, remekala pa istorya, ketiking probinsya. Yako po Benny Ginto at ini ing News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutu, king Balen, susunod.